Apple is back with yet another game-changing flagship, and this time, it's not just an evolution, it's a complete reimagination of what a premium smartphone can be. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and it's loaded with groundbreaking features, next-gen performance, and a design that speaks volumes about Apple's vision for the future. From its all-new 48MP triple lens system to the powerhouse A19 Pro chip and a stunning near 7-inch OLED display, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a smartphone, it's a powerful, intelligent, and beautifully crafted tool for the modern user. If you thought last year's model was impressive, wait till you see what Apple has packed into this beast. Let's break down everything the iPhone 17 Pro Max has to offer. Starting with the design, Apple has taken a bold new step by reworking the aesthetics of the Pro Max series. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a sleek, refined aluminum frame that feels both lightweight and ultra-premium in hand. The edges are slightly more contoured for a better grip, while the rear now sports a fresh camera bar layout, giving the phone a distinct identity that's both modern and elegant. It's a clean look, minimalist yet functional, and continues Apple's legacy of meticulous craftsmanship. The device is also IP68 water and dust resistant, meaning you won't have to worry about accidental spills or sudden rain showers. It's durable, stylish, and every inch screams flagship. Apple has always delivered some of the best displays in the smartphone industry, and this year's panel is no exception. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a massive 6.86-inch LTPO OLED display, offering incredibly sharp 4K resolution and dynamic promotion 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates, editing videos, or simply watching a 4K movie, the visuals are buttery smooth and incredibly immersive. The LTPO technology also allows for dynamic refresh scaling, which means better battery efficiency without compromising on smoothness. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and outdoor brightness is improved, making it perfect for both indoor use. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by the ultra-efficient and blazing fast Apple A19 Pro chip. Built on an advanced 3nm architecture, this chip offers unprecedented performance and power efficiency. Whether you're launching demanding apps, editing 4K per 8K videos, playing high-end games, or using advanced AI features, the A19 Pro handles it all with ease. It also improves machine learning capabilities, enabling smarter photo and video enhancements, real-time language processing, and seamless multitasking. Paired with improved thermals and better RAM management, this chip makes the iPhone 17 Pro Max the fastest iPhone yet. Now let's talk cameras, and trust us, there's a lot to be excited about. The iPhone 17 Pro Max brings a dramatic leap forward in mobile photography with its 48MP triple camera setup. The primary 48MP wide-angle sensor captures stunning detail, even in low light, thanks to its larger aperture and advanced image signal processing. The 48MP ultra-wide lens offers a new perspective with better edge clarity and color accuracy, perfect for capturing sweeping landscapes or group shots. But the real star of the show is the 48MP telephoto lens, now offering 3.5x optical zoom, a significant jump from the previous 12MP zoom camera. Whether you're shooting portraits, nature, or faraway objects, the results are crisp, vibrant, and true to life. On the video side, Apple introduces 8K video recording, dual video capture, and improved cinematic mode, making this device a powerhouse for content creators and vloggers. With such powerful internals, Apple knew the battery needed to match up, and it absolutely does. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to pack a larger battery than its predecessor, offering all-day battery life, even with heavy usage. From gaming and content creation to regular multitasking, the phone handles it all while lasting well into the next day. Apple has also optimized charging, and while official figures are yet to be confirmed, early leaks suggest faster wired and wireless charging speeds, along with smarter battery health management via iOS 19. Speaking of software, the iPhone 17 Pro Max runs the latest iOS 19, which brings an entirely refined and personalized user experience. With more customization options, enhanced privacy controls, and deeply integrated AI, iOS 19 is smarter and more intuitive than ever before. Features like lock screen widgets, live activities, and improved multitasking make day-to-day use more fluid and efficient. The synergy between the A19 Pro chip and iOS 19 also ensures blazing fast app launches, zero lag, and superior performance across the board. And as always, Apple continues to promise years of timely software updates, making your investment future-proof. So, is the iPhone 17 Pro Max worth the hype? Absolutely. Apple has taken everything users loved about previous models and dialed it up to 11. A stunning new design, the most advanced display ever on an iPhone, an incredibly powerful chipset, an all-48MP camera system with pro-level capabilities, and a bigger battery, all wrapped in the familiar polish of iOS. Whether you're a long-time Apple user or considering making the switch, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the ultimate blend of beauty, power, and intelligence. It's not just a phone, it's a complete experience, and it's ready to lead the smartphone world once again.